So student, in bar graph we'll discuss about the bar graph. So in bar graph basically use some bars, okay, but for making a bar graph we have to make two dimensions. One is perpendicular, okay, that's we say y-axis perpendicular, a perpendicular dimension or a perpendicular line, and a horizontal line, okay. Horizontal line we use x-axis and perpendicular line we use y-axis, okay. Suppose in bar diagram, basically in bar diagram it is a one dimension, it's called a one dimensional diagram. It is a one dimensional diagram. It is a one dimensional diagram, okay. Like I'm taking an example. Suppose this point, the intersection point, we take 0, okay. Suppose this point is 10, 100, same distance, okay. Basically when we draw the bar diagram we use graph, okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60, okay. And here we take suppose 2000 time, okay. 2000 here, 2001, 2002, 2003. So this x-axis we say years, and this axis suppose we say production. So production. Now we will draw some bar, okay. Suppose in 2000, I'll make a bar for 2000. So this bar shows that in 2000 in any company suppose produce 30 kg or 30 company any company suppose produce 30 goods or 30 kilo goods or 30 ton goods, okay. This bar represents in 2001 same distance, okay. Each bar the width will be same and distance will be same, okay. Distance will be same, width, this is called width of the bar, this is called the width of the bar, and this width will be same and distance will be same with the same distance. Here from 2000 to 2001 distance and 2001 to 2002 distance will be same. Okay. So in this diagram 2000, in the year of 2000, suppose a particular company produce 30 ton of production. In 2001 produce 50 ton of production, because this bar reaches up to 50. So 2001 produce 50 ton of production. In 2002 produce suppose in between 30 and 20, so we can write 25 tons of production. In 2003 they produce 40, in between 40 and 50, so we can say 45 tons of production. So bar in bar graph we will use some bars, and by using bars it is very simple and very easy to understand what this bar indicates, okay, what this bar indicates. So easily we can understand in a particular company's production 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, okay. In same way we will discuss double bar diagram in my next video.